Welcome to today's workout tutorial, where we'll be learning how to do 100 squats in just 10 minutes. This exercise is great for reducing that extra weight and building strength in your legs. To start, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and keep your back straight. Bend your knees and lower your hips as if you're sitting back into an imaginary chair. Remember to keep your heels on the ground and your chest lifted throughout the entire movement. As you descend, aim to bring your thighs parallel to the ground, creating a right angle with your knees. This will ensure proper form and maximize the effectiveness of each squat. From there, push through your heels and engage your glutes to rise back up to the starting position. Imagine driving the floor away from you as you stand, maintaining control and stability. To achieve 100 squats in 10 minutes, set a timer for 10 intervals of 1 minute each. During each minute, perform as many squats as you can while maintaining proper form. Remember, quality is more important than quantity, so focus on performing each squat correctly rather than rushing through them. This will prevent injuries and ensure you're targeting the right muscles. If you need to take a break during the 1 minute intervals, that's okay. Just resume when you're ready, making sure to complete the full 10 minutes. To stay motivated, you can listen to some upbeat music or imagine yourself achieving your fitness goals. Visualize the end result and let that drive you to keep going. As you progress, you can gradually increase the number of squats you do each minute, building up your endurance and strength over time. Remember to warm up before starting any exercise routine and cool down afterwards to prevent injuries. Hydration is also important, so drink plenty of water throughout your workout. With practice and determination, you'll soon find yourself breezing through 100 squats in just 10 minutes, getting closer to reaching your weight loss goals. Keep up the great work and have a fantastic workout session.